Okay, you guys, so here's the copy. My original's up on the board. So I've added a little bit, as you can see. This is all marker. Now I'm gonna add my pattern in the background. So I've decided to do this one because this is so organic looking with organic forms or shapes that I feel like I need to do a geometric shape or pattern to make it look right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use my ruler, okay? And normally I would say do this in pencil, but I am going to do this in pen for the sake of time. Okay, I'm just gonna go like that. Now see how I keep it in the background? I'm gonna make it my background, okay? Because I've done my foreground realistically or cartoony or graphically. Probably should have done my sun coloring last, but whatever. You learn, then you learn. Yep, see right there? Got to look out for those little tiny pieces. Okay. It's slightly off, but I don't really care. Okay, so now I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna actually, sorry guys, I gotta flip it over like this. I gotta start off from the straight edge. So I'm gonna go right here. All right, so I'm done right there. All right, so I got a nice little grid in the background. So now it's gonna be a bunch of little squares. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip the squares for now because I'm gonna use my square template. And I'm just gonna go like this. Does not have to be perfect, okay? I'm just looking for good enough. As you can see, I'm not measuring at all, okay? And I'm just gonna skip every other one, okay? Okay, so you can see I've done that. Let me get my template. Okay, there it is. That was the one thing I forgot, you guys. So look, I have this little square template. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go like about right there. See? Okay. And I'm just gonna, and then I can color that in with my Sharpie, as you can see. You guys make your life easy, okay? So you would just do that every other one, or that's what I'm gonna do for this one, okay? Oh, see, I almost messed up. Okay, now that I've got that, I'm gonna come back and just finish this up. I kind of like the see-through Sharpies or rulers better. I think I'm gonna order some for you guys. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna show you. I'm just going to take my Sharpie. Okay. I'm going to outline it first. Don't worry, I have a bunch of Sharpies for you guys. Okay. Sometimes if you want to be nice to your table, you can just put a paper underneath and then look. It's a lot faster when I do this because I don't want to mess up my table, so I was going way too neat. And then you would just do that for all of them. So I'm going to do one more for you. Just going to thicken up my lines. And you can always pull out your ruler if you want to use your ruler to get it straight. I mean, I've been doing this for so long that I can just kind of pull it out. Okay, and then you would just keep doing that until you have a pattern, and I'll put this up when it's done.